This is the St. Johns County Real Estate Auction Report brought to you by Vanta Quality Assets. You can find us at vantallc.com. Investors welcome. Now, let's go to court. And at the auctions, we had two very good sales. Excellent bidding. Interestingly enough, only one bid, no counter bids. Hey, get out there, please. Get some competition going. Anyway, first property was a cancel. I'll show it to you anyway. And that was CA 102091. You see here Hamilton Springs Road. Pretty nice area. Here's the house right here. Very nice house. Anyway, that canceled. Going on to the next one. This one sold. Excellent price. Excellent. Look at the Pro Max. Now, again, I didn't do any homework on these. Could have been some liens. I don't know, and I don't understand why the bank went low, much lower than the plaintiff total. But you know, hey, could be sign of the times. Anyway, you got it for $128,700. Let me show you the property, and there we go. Horseshoe Road. Horseshoe Road. What do they call it, Horseshoe Road? Well, because it looks like a horseshoe, I think. That's right. Yeah, that's right. Gator done. Okay, next one. CA 1200330. Let me show you this one. This one canceled, but hey, it was a nice house. Looking forward to actually seeing it in the future. 1801 Rear Admiral Lane. I don't know why they always call it Rear Admiral. Anyway. CA1219997. Did not sell. Banner was at 109. Plaintiff total 157. Pro Max 110. And here we go. I don't understand it. Anyway, didn't sell. Banner was pretty high. Kind of a weird situation. That's probably why nobody else bid on it. Now, see this list pens again. This is the plaintiff total, which I thought was the plaintiff total. Anyway, it's basically I got that out of the mortgage. I have been asking about this, and they sent me to some other links to double check the book and page and so forth. I've done that. Cannot find the final judgment. So until then, I'll just say list pens. This could possibly not be the plaintiff total. Anyway, the banner was a 157, high bid 100. That means it went back to the bank. No sale. And let me show you the property. That's 299, and the property's here, 1305 Cedar Isle Court. Okay, next one. Again, high bid 100, went back to the bank. Banner was way high, 100,000 more than any pro would pay. Anyway, 0454. Let's look at that one. And it's 305 Bell Branch Lane. Bell Branch Lane. Look it up. Google it. Oh, okay. 130811. 130811. Let me show you that one again. High bid was 100. Went back to the bank. Banner was higher than the Pro Max. And let me tell you something. That house, it's alright. Pretty nice backyard though, overlooking the south, and you had a little bit of a lake, so it probably had a nice breeze too. But the house itself, I don't know. Yeah, no, I don't know. And so 208. And anyway, that is what I thought the plaintiff total was. Again, list pens. Cannot find its final judgment. This one sold, got a great price for it. Pro Max was 169. It just went a little under. High bid. Guess what? Just one bid. Boom. Nobody else was there. Nobody else was there. 1043 Larkspur Loop. Larkspur. Anyway, that sold. Again, list pens. I could not find the final judgment on that. CA 131416. 131416 is this. Now, this is just property, okay? Did it sell? No. The banner was at 70,000. People I've never seen before, just selling property, I guess. Anyway, his estimate is 10. Hello. Market value is 10. Hello. I went to the bank at 100, and the next property did not sell as well. That is the last property, 972 Argonne Avenue. 972 Argonne. And there's the property right there. I think they have some major issues with it. His estimate was on 139. No one, and I mean no one, bid on it. Now let me show you something here. You see this sold 109,900. I put this 1992 here because when I was looking at the property itself, okay, when I was looking at the property card, that's what it sold at. It's kind of weird because when you look at Zillow sometimes, especially the sales recently sold, really recently sold, that was at in 1992. This one was recently sold at 170, about the same size, actually a smaller lot. So I was looking 158, 170. What's this 109? So yeah, these things do happen with Zillow. Be careful. I think I have another one. Yeah, 1998 sold for 160. And in other news, we start with the 30-year fixed. Again, you got that wedge pattern. Will not come off that wedge pattern. Still in a sideways motion. I mean, look, 5-year chart, at least it moved a little bit. Look at that, you know, a few months, boom, it moved down, and then it moved up, created a head and shoulders pattern here, moved down. I mean, you know, it's a liquid. It's goes up and down. But now, look at this. I mean, for the last, I would say, year more, it's been kind of just sideways and just consolidating, and the band, if you will, is getting smaller and smaller. Smaller and smaller. Well, that's what happens when you create a wedge. Either way, when a wedge is created, you're going to have a strong move. Either way, in this case, because the initial move to the wedge, or the flag pattern, if you will, was from the low, the strong move, more than likely, technically speaking, remember, it's a manipulated market, but technically speaking, it should go up again. That means higher interest rates. But hey, what the hell do I know, right? Hell, HE double stick. I'm sorry. Anyway, here's the HGX, Philadelphia Housing Index. It's starting to inch down again. Notice this, remember this? Yeah. It actually breached the trend line, which is actually the support line. Breached the support line, hit the support line again, breached that, boom, came back up, everything looked great. And now, for the last month or so, it's been kind of sideways to down. What's going on? Well, California home sales dive. Prices hit wall. Millennials blamed. Oh, those darn millennials. Darn it. These people now between 25 and 34 at their peak of the home buying age, and they still with mommy and daddy. Well, get the economy going, it'll change, stupid. It's the economy, stupid. Remember those words from a stupid man? In my opinion. Anyway, sorry for the bad news. Wish I had better news. I mean, I'm in the business myself, so, you know. Remember, hats off, bid well, and until next time, have no fear.